In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell old furniture on Amazon. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your seller account, create a solid listing, and get your item in front of buyers with confidence. First, head to Amazon Seller Central and sign up. Click Sign Up and complete the registration using your basic contact details and a valid bank account so you can receive payouts. Amazon may take a little time to verify your information. Once you're approved, you'll have access to the seller dashboard, which is where you'll manage everything from listings to orders. Keep your information accurate during setup to avoid delays. Next, check whether your furniture already exists in Amazon's catalog. In the dashboard, go to Catalog, then Add Products and search by brand or product name. If you find the exact item, you can list your used piece under that existing page. Matching the right product helps your listing appear alongside others buyers are already browsing, which can boost visibility. When you add your offer, choose the correct condition. Amazon provides options like used, like new, used, very good, used, good, and used, acceptable. Be honest and specific. If there are scratches, small dents, or noticeable wear, say so clearly. Accuracy builds trust and reduces returns. Now add your product details. Create a clear title, specify the furniture type, like chair, table, or sofa, include dimensions and materials, and write a concise condition description. For example, used wooden coffee table, solid oak, minor scratches. Measurements are essential for buyers, so double check them and use a tape measure to be precise. Upload real photos of the exact item you're selling. Include a front view, a side view, a close-up of any damage, and a full product shot. Shoot in good lighting with a neutral background so details are easy to see. Show any imperfections clearly. Transparent photos help buyers make informed decisions and increase your chances of a smooth sale. Set your price, available quantity, and an SKU to track the item. Used furniture is typically priced lower than new, so compare similar listings to find a competitive number. Consider your costs, including materials for packing and shipping fees when you choose your price. Choose your shipping method. For large items, most sellers use fulfillment by merchant, meaning you'll pack and ship the furniture yourself after a sale. Measure and weigh your packaged item to estimate shipping accurately. Use sturdy boxes or moving blankets and protect corners and edges. Finally, review everything and click Save and Finish. Your listing will go live on Amazon, ready for buyers to find. Good luck with your sale.